Rocks. Rocks are made of minerals. There are three different types of rock: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Sedimentary rocks, such as limestone and chalk, are made from layers of small rocks, minerals, plants, and animal remains. They are softer and more permeable than other kinds of rock. Metamorphic rocks are very hard and impermeable. They are formed underground when rock is heated and pressurized. Metamorphic rocks are often glittery because they are made up of lots of crystals joined together. Marble and slate are metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks form when lava cools. They are usually very hard and impermeable. Granite, pumice, and obsidian are all types of igneous rock. Igneous rocks can be either permeable or impermeable, depending on how they were formed. In the Stone Age, flint and obsidian were used to make tools, knives, and arrowheads. These rocks are very hard and durable, with sharp edges when they are chipped. Flint is found inside lumps of limestone or chalk, while obsidian is an igneous volcanic glass. At Stonehenge, the largest stones were made of sarsen, a kind of sandstone. Sedimentary rocks are lighter than other types of rock, so this made them easier to transport. The smaller stones were made of a hard, durable igneous rock called Dolorite, sometimes called bluestone. These stones were transported all the way from southwest Wales. That's over 150 miles.